Hello guys, welcome back to the part 2.6. Last part, you share how to do the basic setup of our WooCommerce plugin. And to ensure you might be a link at the top section. Make sure click it so not share. In this part, again, you might be a basic setup of our Yoast SEO plugin. You're installing and our basic setup into and nearby. Make sure again, maybe share my dashboard, then we get started with it. Again, my login into my website did that. Osha top hana I'll say get started quickly with the Yoast SEO first time configuration. Ana oba sona use SEO and a bit macro general, but link in the wahano, I'll just click on that. Then we go through the setup. Okay. Into first time configuration and now into SEO data optimization, I'll just go continue. Into Hano budget 1 or 2 details, okay, into that's your site represent organization or a person. Yeah, I'll just go person. Okay, actually let's go organization. Yeah, best select the organization, okay. Organization name your podcast audio services. We don't have a logo yet, so we can always come back here and add the logo later on. I'll just go save and continue. Okay, so Rebecca will say, yeah, you need to fill out blah blah blah, but again, just go save and continue. Okay, social. We creating a Facebook. Okay, for now I'm creating a Facebook and Twitter. Okay, but one I was say at this time I create here, you enter it here. Okay, yeah, and to just enter the details there and go save and continue. Okay, usage tracking. I always leave this on no, okay? I don't want anyone tracking me, okay? If you want to receive newsletter from them now, you can enter your newsletter here, but I don't want a lot of junk emails in my way. And again, I'll leave this one blank, leave this one on no. I go save and continue. All right. Into your first part, okay. Into your you can go register now, but I always stay away. Me personally register for any webinar. Okay. Into your you can go or visit your SEO dashboard. Into my my dashboard. So see, I also problems here zero. Zero cause you creating any content, okay, on our website yet. Into normal is zero no. Next settings now, but they call webmaster tools. We won't hear okay. Into webmaster tools where no. I will say submitting our website into Google Search Console. So the Google so be a monitor say a month for but our drop servicing websites and so on as a month for, but Google will always be giving us updates. Who here will set up this tool, okay? This is going to help with our what do you call it? Our SEO. You can do the same for Bing, for Microsoft, but normally I only do for Google, and I think that it should be okay for me because most people use the Google Chrome browser on their phones and also on their desktop. And to get a verification code, we need to register, okay, with Google. Into the event set, you can actually click on this, but click open on a new way tab. Into this will take me through to Google Search Console webmaster window. We need to verify our website. Into the event say, I'll just click on the HTML tag now. Now my copy link way. Okay, the copy link we are. I'll come back to my dashboard now. In Tubeco DV, now if we work with theme options. We call theme options are now about integrations. And to make sure say enable header code no enabled be enabled, okay. Now if you about add code to the head of your blog into code no you better enter after me paste it okay. Now if you call save changes. Awesome. I'm green tick so I save it, okay. After remember back to the webmaster tool. my add tag no. Okay, into me call verify. Into see how do so or so my add code note to my website. Perfect. Great job. And to see how my verify podcast audio services will Google Search Console. Okay, Google Search Console. Me refi BB and so now click on that link, making sure say you've logged in into your email. Email now we use it for your drop service and websites, and you've already signed into it. Which you have now my signing into my podcast audio services email. In Siciano. Also, you see, I'm add podcastaudio-services.com to my Google Search Console. Into me pekrana, I'll click here. Yeah, click on Google Search Console and it's what said you. Okay. Now we need to enter over URL prefix now. Just enter podcast audio services. Okay. Yeah, I can continue. Into check it verification. Or say that ownership auto verified. Awesome. Have you ever called going to property? And you'll see welcome to search console. Yeah, called start. Awesome. This is your empty dashboard. And we've linked podcast audio services to Google Search Console. As time goes on, you see data here. Now Google be indexing all your pages I'll be creating or website and so in Google Search Console. So they will be to me a search. You'll be crack Google not search it podcast audio services. Google will be able to link them their search in the crowd with your website, and this is really really good. Anyways, let's go back here and to see, and we need what do you call it, the verification code to put here. In the menu, I'll just click back here on this, to see, yeah, verify. We now I'll say we've already verified. Okay, until I'll just come to the what do you call it, history. We verified. Click on web master central and so. Okay, yeah, click here so. And to view verification details, Okay, it's a code, and a year equal content equals to But anyways, we can just copy all this. Okay, verification details, You're copying I'll just go done. Yeah, bahana, I'll paste everything here, and again, delete it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now maybe I'll see content equals where I'll just delete everything here too. Into now I can code into this is the code we need. We just go save changes. Perfect. Settings saved. This is what we need to do. Okay, this is basically all we need to do for Yoast SEO. Munkai said you have to come back here, click on edit and add the details where you'll be missing here. We are done, guys, for Yoast SEO. So that's the part 2.6, guys. Into part 2.7, what are we going to learn? You're basically how to create an account with Flutterwave. Okay, Flutterwave is a payment gateway. You be use it to accept money on our drop servicing websites whilst we are in Ghana. I did a tutorial on how to use Paystack, but Paystack was having issues with US dollars. Or Ghana now will display US dollars on your Paystack drop shipping website. Now you get issues unless they display the money in your Ghana cedis account. Then it automatically convert to dollars for or more outside of Ghana. They want to purchase things, but Flutterwave doesn't have that issue. In part 2.7, make sure how we can create an account on Flutterwave and also link Flutterwave to our WooCommerce so we can accept payments on our drop servicing website. This is my contact details. Again, if you want to contact me, please feel free to contact me, but I'll see you in part 2.7. Bye.